moving on with an example of LinkedIn's In It Together campaign. So this was a campaign which was run during the Golden Globes Award. So most people viewed LinkedIn platform as platform only for white collar professionals. With this campaign, LinkedIn wanted to break a stereotype and connect with a global audience while highlighting the power of the community in finding a job. Now, the channels used, obviously, it was LinkedIn. Then we had videos as well, and there was a lot of digital display as well. Now, in it together, it featured people from professions such as musician, martial arts, culinary arts, bankers, teachers, entrepreneurs, and more. Campaign featured the real stories of real members across career stages and how they are adapting, innovating, and learning on their networks to push forward in this new world of work. The black and white documentary style videos made them stand out from the commercial ones, showcasing